Welcome to Lesson Craft Studio. In this video, we will look at how to use different features and tools inside of the Find Objects app. So now, as you can see, as always, you have by default a created worksheet here. Let's create the new one. And you can see that there are some objects which you need to find, circle, and write how many of each object is there on the created worksheet. You can, as always, move elements the way you want inside the worksheet and inside the answer key if you like. For example, you can just pick some element here, rotate it, make it smaller, make it bigger, or maybe if you want to make it even much harder, you can overlap and just hide some things behind the other things. So let's look at this. Let's press on worksheet. Then you can see we have this sidebar menu. And our activity mode in it is I Spy, so you find the hidden objects. You can go and choose the topic. As always, let's see, we can choose Christmas. And here you can choose the things or the items, the topic for the items that you are looking for, and the theme of the topic for the items which are the distractors. And they could be the same or different. In this particular one, which we are creating right now, we needed to find some object from the theme beach, and the distractors for it would be theme Christmas. Or you can choose the same theme or the same topic, both for distractors and for the objects which you are trying to find on a page. And everything as you have designed is reflected both in answer key and a worksheet. Now let's try something different. We are trying now activity mode, which is called odd one out. For that, you need to choose the number of pairs and topic for these pairs and how many odd images or images that don't have a pair that will be present on your worksheet. So we've chosen 12 pairs, 3 odd images, and now we are just moving some parts around. You see that by default there is also written like find the images that don't have a matching pair if you want to make it bigger or smaller, and you can like circle them. You can work both on answer key and on worksheet. And if you want to make it more maybe colorful and maybe brighter, maybe more suitable for smaller kids, you also could choose the background theme. For example, since we are working with the topic animals, we can choose farm theme. We pick one. We see that this is landscape, so let's choose the one which is portrait, and let's choose this one for example. And as always, you can make it bigger, adjust it to all the sides of the page, bring it or send it to the back, and work with its opacity if you want. Make it more transparent to be able to see the images more clearly. And of course you can, for example, delete the border which is by default there, and you can just choose your own border. And let's just try one. Let's, for example, choose this one. And now, as always, you would just adjust it a little bit according to how you want the page to look like. So let's do it maybe like this. And the borders also have the opportunity to be more transparent, so you can work with this opacity also. And then you just go ahead and download it.